afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Yes. So, how are you today?
I'm very tired.
Tired now?
Very tired.
So you want to give tired to give up the tired?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, please stand up. Stand up, please. Stand up. Come on. Stand up. Raise your hand. Take a breath. Oh.
Em mở tối nó xin lỗi.
And how you feel now?
Good.
Good. Okay.
Fine.
Yes. Sit up, please. And now we start the lesson today. Do you like to listen to the story?
Yes.
The story?
Yes.
Yes. And today I will tell for you a story about the six blind men and the elephant.
Elephant.
Yes. Do you see that picture?
Yes.
What do you see?
The man.
How many men?
There are 6 men.
Yeah, six men. And what is this?
An elephant.
An elephant. And so, can you see what are they doing? What are they doing? Can you guess? Right?
No.
Oh, what?
No.
Yes, they are touching in the elephant. And can you guess why are they touching in this elephant? Yeah.
No.
Oh, come on, guess this. Why are they? Why they do? Why are they touching the elephant?
They like the elephant?
Good. You please.
I think so.
Because they can't see anymore, and they use hand to touch in anything. And we call them the blind man. Yeah, do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And let's start the story now. Yeah. Once upon a time, there were 6 blind men, and they live in a town. They live in town, and they thought they were very clever, and they accused each other. I am very intelligent, and next, I am more intelligent than you, and next, I am the most intelligent in this town. And one day, an elephant came to the town. You see that?
Yes.
Came to the town with the circuit. Yeah.
Yes.
And a small girl, a lovely small cute girl. Do you see that?
Yes.
Do you see her?
Yes. A little girl.
A little girl.
A little girl.
And she said, "Whoa, that's a big elephant. That's a big elephant. Yes, a big
Whoa! And a big elephant. Wow.
And the six blind men think that, oh, so what is this animal like? Yeah, what is this animal like? And they come close to the elephant and touch it. And the first man touching the body of the elephant, that and body touch in the body of the elephant, and he said, the the elephant looked like a world. Looked like a world. Yeah. React to me. A world.
A world.
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 Speak louder.
A world.
Yes. The second man touched in the touch of the elephant, and he said, "The elephant looked like a spear." Do you know spear?
No.
Look at the picture. Can you get?
Yes.
What is this spear?
Yes.
Yeah. The warrior uses to attack another man. Yeah.
Yes.
And the third man touch in the trunk of the elephant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And he said that the elephant looked like a snake. Do you understand? A snake?
Yes.
A snake. Talk to me. The snake.
The snake.
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 Loudly, please. Snake.
Snake.
Yes. And the fourth, he touched in the leg of the elephant. Here.
Yes.
And he said the elephant looked like a tree. You see that?
Yes.
Look like a tree.
Yes.
A tree.
A tree.
Yeah. And the fifth man touched in the ear. Touched in the ear. Touched in the ear of the elephant.
Yes.
And he said that the elephant looked like a fan.
Yes.
Do you know fan?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you're hot and you use it. And react to me.
Fan.
Yeah, fan.
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 Yes. And the last one, he touched in the tail of the elephant, and he said, "The elephant is look like a rope." A rope.
A
Rope.
A rope.
Yeah. Do you see that?
Yes.
What is this rope?
Later.
Yes, that's good. And sợ to.